You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!
To be heavyweight. Now you walking around
looking like every shade.
Yeah, I got a BBL after that bypass surgery. The injuries he'll have after I come bypass surgery.
Bypass surgery. That's a hard thing.
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
And his gut, they couldn't use a gurney. They had to scrape him up and tape him up. His family crowd around screaming, but the kid still couldn't wake him up. You fake as fuck. And his cop chase is unusual. He run with a bunch of clowns. I couldn't tell who was who till I put a target on him. He a little nigga, it's a bargain on him. Shoot a hurt a nigga, have my dogs barking on him. You gotta be dumb to think I ain't more strapped. BBW, I had to double back.
Okay. I like that.
15 minutes of fame!
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!